Hi, I am Andrea Hernandez, a student of the 8th semester of the Career of Business Administration. I am going to talk them about my experience in Thanksgiving in the high school. In the high school is very attached to the culture in United States and I have never participated in an event like this since it was get used in Mexico. My companions and I have to decorate the living room, bringing typical food that used and dressing format. In addition to the activities that are celebrated, so like asking for a wish, we gather things to the net, among others. It was a good experience that I would like to repeat with my family. So thank you.